The changes file and the README file are two free format files. They are basically just text files. The changes file has slightly more structure, is slightly more structured. It usually looks like this. So you have the version number and then the date when it was released, and then some text what changed in that version, usually a couple of spaces here, and then here you can add the new feature and what bugs were fixed and so on, maybe even adding the debug number. And so this is how the changes file looks like. It either codes changes with capital letters or this way, or sometimes it's called change log. That's the usual way in CPAN modules. You can use any of these names. Usually it's better to use the changes, and it's not even required file. So neither changes nor README is really a required file, but it's recommended to have them. The README is really totally free text. Some people just copy the content of the pod, the documentation of the main module, but there's no point for that either, really. So you can just have some free text here maybe explaining how to install or how to read the documentation of the module, or some information like this. It used to have it used to be very important before Surge CPAN or MetaCPAN came on, because it was really hard to read the documentation without installing the file. But nowadays it's less important.